Hey, welcome to my channel. Fall is here, and it's time to elevate your style with stunning fall nail designs. Whether you love ombre, metallic tips, or earthy tones, almond-shaped nails are the perfect canvas for autumn-inspired manicures. Let's dive into the top 5 stunning fall nail designs for almond-shaped lovers. 1. Warm ombre fall nails. First up, we have warm ombre fall nails. This design transitions from deep burgundy into soft orange or caramel tones, mirroring the beauty of autumn sunsets. The ombre effect looks especially elegant on almond-shaped nails, giving them a natural flow. Try adding a matte top coat for that extra touch of sophistication. 2. Leafy accents with earthy tones. Next, we have leafy accents combined with earthy tones like taupe, moss green, and burnt orange. Almond-shaped nails offer the perfect space to create intricate designs like gold or bronze leaves. This look brings the natural beauty of fall to your fingertips. 3. Plum and mustard minimalism. For those who love minimalism, plum and mustard are the perfect fall combo. Use a deep plum base for most nails, and add simple geometric shapes like lines or triangles in mustard yellow. Almond-shaped nails naturally enhance this minimalist style, giving it a sleek and modern finish. 4. Metallic tips with a twist. Want to add some glam to your fall nails? Try metallic tips with a twist. Swap out the traditional French manicure for metallic gold or copper tips on a nude base. The almond shape beautifully elongates the nails, making these metallic accents stand out even more. 5. Deep red and glitter glam. Finally, nothing says fall like deep red nails with a touch of glitter. Choose a rich burgundy shade and add gold or bronze glitter to 1 or 2 accent nails. This design brings warmth and sparkle, perfect for any fall event or gathering. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if like my video.